Hello, welcome to another Program City video. My name is Kyle Andrews, and today I will teach you how to record a video in 360 degrees. What is a 360 degree video? A 360 degree video is a video recording where a view in every direction is recorded at the same time, shot using an omnidirectional camera, or you can also use a single camera like the one I have with me today. A 360 camera is a great camera to always capture the right angle. Why is that? A 360 camera captures all the angles. The camera that I'll be using for this tutorial is this Insta360 ONE X2. The first step to capturing 360 degree videos is to make sure the camera is set to 360 mode. You could think of this as telling the camera to look at the entire room and not just what is in front of the lens. The other setting is to make sure we are capturing video instead of taking pictures. 360 cameras also come with accessories. One of the most important ones is a tripod. Once the camera is properly set up, it's time to capture 360 video. To start recording, you just need to press this button right here and then place the camera where you would like to record. At this moment, I am located outside of the new Student Union at California State University, Fresno. This 360 camera will help me record every single angle of my surroundings so that when I upload the video, you too can be at Fresno State. Once you are finished capturing your 360 degree film, you can edit your captured video on YouTube. Now comes the exciting part, how to upload your 360 video to YouTube so that you can share it with your friends and family. To upload the video to YouTube, first you need to have an account. If you are younger than 13 years old, you can ask a family member or parental guardian to help you with this. If you are 13 or older, you can create your own Google account by going into google.com and clicking on the sign in button, click on create an account, and then follow the steps to create your own Google account. Once you have an account, go to youtube.com and sign in. Once you are here, you should see a page like this. At the top right side of the page, click on the camera icon next to your user photo and click on the option Upload Video. Once you are here, it's time to upload your video. To do this, you need to find the video file from your camera and copy it to your computer. For this demonstration, I've already copied the video files and moved them to my desktop. Go ahead and select your 360 video and begin the upload process. While it is uploading, we have to set some YouTube settings for the video, such as adding a title and a description. You can title your video whatever you'd like. I'm going to go with this name. To continue, we need to set our target audience. Who should be able to watch this video? This video should be accessible by everyone, so I will select the first option. Hit Next. The next two settings can be skipped for now, as they are not accessible until the video has finished processing by YouTube. The last setting we can set is video permissions. If you do not want to edit your own video, you can go ahead and make this video public. For our video, I want to edit it before viewers can see it, so I'm going to set my video to private for now. I'm going to use the built-in editor inside of YouTube. To edit your YouTube video, you have to wait until the video has finished processing. For demonstration purposes, I already uploaded the same video earlier, so we can edit it now. To edit the video, start by clicking on it. On this page, there are settings on the left. Go ahead and select Edit. For my video, I don't want viewers to see me setting up the camera. To do this, I will use the Trim and Edit tool. Just click on the tool and begin selecting where you would like to trim the video. For this video, I will trim the beginning and end. After you finish editing, you can click Preview. If you are satisfied with how it looks, click Save. After the edits are saved, YouTube will process your changes. This may take some time. Once it is finished processing, don't forget to change the video permissions back to public. Now you can share it with your friends and family. And that is the tutorial on how to create an immersive experience with 360 degree videos. We hope you love creating this experience. If you would like to take a look at a 360 degree video created like this, with this tutorial, click on the link in the description where you can travel to the new Student Union at Fresno State. Don't forget to check out our other video tutorials available on the website www.programcityonline.org to create other immersive experiences. Thank you for watching.